AI is here. A growing majority of tech decision makers believe the opportunity with AI today is bigger than it's been ever before. They also believe that every application could benefit from AI. But more than half of the tech leaders don't believe their organizations are ready. They feel they don't have the right resources in place to build AI applications. According to Forrester research, around 81% of them say they would use more AI if it was easier to develop and faster to deploy. What if we had pre-built AI services? Services based on pre-trained and configurable models. Services that would take care of all our data and modeling challenges so we could focus on specific software requirements. Services we can deploy in the cloud or on the edge. Services that developers could get started with today to infuse AI into applications using simple API calls, even with no machine learning expertise. Services that were responsibly built and tested. Services we would trust to build world-class AI applications. The name is Cognitive Services, Azure Cognitive Services. This is a portfolio of pre-built AI services, the very services that power AI capabilities in Microsoft applications like Xbox and Teams. There are cognitive services for vision, speech, language, decision, and OpenAI. Using these services, you can build intelligent applications that can see, hear, speak, understand, and accelerate decision making. In this series, we will discuss the capabilities of Azure Cognitive Services. This season, we will discuss Azure Cognitive Service for language. Each episode, we will discuss how to add natural language capabilities to your applications, how to extract key phrase and entities, how to answer questions from a volume of text, to understand the meaning behind a piece of text, how to translate text across hundreds of languages, and more. If you're looking to build intelligent applications around written language, let's get started. Let's find out how AI may help you.